Currently seeing a heavy downpour moving into Emporia from our Skycam sponsored by Washburn University. And so this comes with some lightning, so you likely will want to get inside if you are anywhere out there right now outside of your cars. But seeing traffic there as well currently. And from our Midland Exterior Skycam in downtown Topeka, also seeing traffic, gloomy skies, but not currently raining out there. From our Prairie Band Casino and Resort Live Storm Tracker, as I said, a heavy downpour is moving to the east towards Emporia right now with some lightning associated with it. Elsewhere, we are just seeing some light to moderate rainfall across northeastern Kansas, with temperatures currently in the 70s across the area as well. Dew points are in the 60s and 70s, so it's also feeling pretty soupy, and our winds aren't too horrible as they're between around 5 to 10 miles per hour from the north, mainly north of I-70, and coming from the south, really along the I-35 corridor right now. As we move into tonight, I am forecasting it to be in the 60s across northeast Kansas, with the possibility that those showers and storms continue, with some strong to severe at times. But as we move into tomorrow, that chance wanes off and we will be in the 70s and the 80s with mostly cloudy skies throughout the day before our cloud cover clears, and we're going to see 50-50 partly cloudy, partly sunny skies on Saturday as temperatures rise into the mid to upper 80s for much of northeastern Kansas. I do want to give you the first alert that we will see heavy rainfall and a local flooding risk into tonight with the rain and storms we'll see, and then building heat and dangerous heat indices into this weekend and into next week as well. So as we track out our chances for showers and storms, they'll continue moving through midnight and into tomorrow morning, streaming throughout the area along the I-70 corridor as we go towards your morning commute. And then we'll clear out, seeing some isolated showers throughout the afternoon to the evening, and we'll see some cloud cover as well before we clear out and may see another round of isolated showers and storms possible going into your Saturday morning before clearing out completely going into your Sunday. As a result of the severe chances tonight, we'll see hail potentially up to a quarter in size, damaging winds 60 mile per hour max, and a low non-zero tornado threat, mainly for the areas highlighted in the slight 2 out of 5 yellow risk down there, including parts of Lyon and Coffee counties. But overall, my confidence is low on that tornado risk. We will see a lot of rainfall, so that is the bigger threat right now, between around a quarter of an inch to upwards of 2 to 3 inches through Saturday throughout northeastern Kansas. But much of that comes through Friday morning. So a lot of rain falling in a very short amount of time has prompted a flood watch to be in place through tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. for the possibility of heavy rain and flash flooding being possible in areas, especially along rivers and streams and those creeks and low-lying areas that flood easily and have poor drainage. But then we get into this weekend and a high-pressure ridge builds into much of the eastern United States, and that will swing winds from the south with warm air pushing up from the Gulf region from the southeast into our area, and our humidity will really rise quickly, as well as our temperatures, and we'll see those heat indexes balloon as we go throughout next week into the triple digits. So that's a concern of mine because heat is the #1 weather-related killer, and it's looking like this will last for a while longer after we start to see it, as our temperatures will be in the 90s starting on Sunday through at least Thursday, and our heat index values will be in the triple digits. They may be even higher here in Topeka because of that urban heat island, all the concrete that we have, and they may be just around average here in places like Emporia, Manhattan, and Concordia, as they do not have as much concrete and they have more grasslands out there. But as we take a look at our 8-day forecast, you can see isolated chances for rain after the rounds of storms tonight, then very hot as we begin the month of July.